Brianna Berman Solo.
Well, you hear the howling winds outside your house very early this morning, and if you haven't peeked outside yet, we're seeing clouds impact the morning sunrise. It's a different start to the day than even just yesterday. So it's warmer. We're seeing highs in the 50s, and our temperature readings in some areas in the 40s and 50s right now. We were below freezing yesterday morning, so a 20-degree warm-up from the past 24 hours. Gusty winds helping with that, bringing in some warm air from the south. 45-mile-per-hour winds possible in most valley locations today. Mountains could see 50-mile-per-hour winds, and that will be the case right along the foothills of the Blues as well. You can see where the warmer and windier air is coming in right now. Temperatures are above freezing, close to 50 degrees right now in the Tri-Cities, Hermiston, Pendleton, and Walla Walla. Colder air along the eastern slopes of the Cascades, 30s and 40s to start. Looking at up to 3 inches of snow for Cle Elum and Ellensburg, right along the western side of the western Yakima Valley. Looking at a small amount of snow this morning, otherwise up to a foot over the Cascades. Check the mountain passes before you head west or east I-84. Starting to see some of that snowfall right now through the mid-morning hours, and we have a chance of valley rain across our lower elevations. Otherwise, mid-Columbia stays mostly cloudy, mostly dry, and breezy today, 4 o'clock. Again, you're seeing the chance of rain in the lower elevations, mostly snow continuing up in the mountains. So again, check the passes before you head west. I-90 will become very slick, poor visibility at times. Chains are required right now over Snoqualmie Pass, and we're seeing snow increase over the Blues today. 35 to 45-mile-per-hour wind gusts in the Tri-Cities and Yakima this morning. We'll see gusts closer to 50 miles per hour in Pendleton and Walla Walla. Skies begin to clear after a chance of showers today. We should see some sunshine before the day is done. 50 degrees, your high in Yakima today. We've hit 50 degrees already this morning in the Tri-Cities. We'll continue to see things cool down overnight. Much colder by tomorrow morning. Highs in the 40s, windy, wet weather for Walla Walla today. Cooler for everyone through the rest of the week. And again, you see that sunshine in the Tri-Cities return for Valentine's Day just in time for that sweet forecast. It's going to be cold tomorrow night. Bundle up if you plan to be outside with your loved ones Tuesday night. Early Wednesday morning, some of the coldest air of the week, down into the 20s in Yakima, and then we'll be in the 40s with sunshine every afternoon for the rest of the week. 50s returning for the weekend.